In the last video, we looked broadly at the research data lifecycle. In this video, we'll focus on good practices for data collection during the collect and create phase. The data you gather and work with can take many forms. You may work with numeric outputs, textual data, images, sound recordings, or video. Your data may be digital. You may have hard copies of data, or a combination. At some point, it is likely that you'll want to enter or transfer data into a digital format that allows for easy manipulation. Errors in data entry are common. Errors of omission mean that data were not recorded. Examples include inadequate documentation, human error, or anomalies in the field. Errors of commission mean that incorrect or inaccurate data were entered. Examples include a malfunctioning instrument or mistyped data. A few practices during data collection and entry can help you to catch and avoid errors and to ensure the quality of your data. First, assign responsibility. Second, use validation. Third, double-check for errors. Assign responsibility for data quality to a specific person. This is especially important when working in a group. For a small project, it may just be you. Think about how data collection may go wrong. Create a procedure for data collection and entry, and enforce this procedure. In your procedure, try to minimize the number of times data must be entered and transferred, especially if data entry is manual. This makes your data collecting less susceptible to errors. Use validation when possible. Validation refers to building checks into your data entry. These checks make sure that your data values are within a particular range, or one of a predetermined set of values. For example, in a survey, one question may ask participants about their tobacco use. Perhaps you are only interested in a few cases that can be defined in advance. Smoker, tobacco chewer, or none. In this scenario, you may create a mechanism to check that the data being entered only contains values that you have determined are valid. Even better, you can make the validation automatic. Many software applications allow you to add validation. In Microsoft Excel, there's a tool to make this happen. Click on the Data tab on the left side of the menu bar, then select the Data Validation button on the right side. In the pop-up menu, select from the drop-down menu to add a list of acceptable responses. Now, data entry is validated because only certain variables are available. After collecting and entering data, double-check for errors. In particular, data entered manually can suffer from a high error rate, and an additional checking procedure can dramatically improve data quality. One model involves using multiple people to transcribe data. When transcribing data from paper records to digital form, two or more individuals transcribe the same data into separate files. Then the resulting files are compared. If this isn't possible, try to have at least someone other than the person who originally entered the data compare paper records to the transcribed data. Then disagreements can be flagged and resolved. If you want to learn more about good research data practices, check out our other data management videos in this series.